Orange Eyes Gamer here. Today I'm going to show you me catching Poliwag, shiny version, of course. Yeah, so remember to use Inky when chain fishing with suction cup on. Well, the ability of suction cup, sorry. And okay, so now we're going to want to go to our Pokeballs. Pokeball. See if that works. Son of a fuck. Okay, whatever. Got a lot of Pokeballs. Round 2. Let's do this. Fucking A. So yeah, that was me catching a shiny Poliwag. Honestly, wasn't that hard to catch him. Took like 7 chains, like 7 times seeing him in a row. It was honestly easiest shiny ever. Yeah. Just to prove that it's light blue, but you can tell if they're shiny Pokemon for sure if you go to your Pokemon in the box with a summary, and right down here. Just let my camera zoom in here. Piece of shit. See the red star? That means that it's a shiny. This is my shiny Love Disc. It also has a red star. Normal Pokemon don't have them. So that's how you know if they're shiny. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.